In today's video, I'll show you how to create a workflow in Hubspot. Set a simple process that only takes a few minutes and can help you automate repetitive tasks to save time and improve efficiency. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Hubspot homepage. If you're not already logged in, click the What's Login button at the top right corner. Enter your email and password to access your account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily sign up for free. Once you're on your HubSpot dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and click on Automations. From the drop-down menu, select EL Workflows. This is where you'll find all your existing workflows and create new ones to automate your business processes. Now, click the Create Workflow button. You'll be prompted to choose a workflow type, such as from scratch, based on a template or using a specific object like contacts, deals, or companies. Select the one that best fits your goal and click Next to continue. The first thing you'll set up is a trigger, which tells HubSpot when the workflow should start. For example, you might want it to begin when someone submits a form, opens an email, or becomes a new contact. Choose your preferred trigger and set the conditions that define when it activates. Once your triggers are ready, move on to Actions. These are the tasks HubSpot will automatically perform after the trigger is met. Common actions include sending follow-up emails, assigning leads to sales reps, updating contact properties, or creating tasks for your team. Arrange your actions in a logical order that fits your automation goal. You can add delays, branches, or conditional logic to make your workflow more dynamic and personalized. Before finalizing, review your setup carefully. Make sure each step aligns with your intended outcome and that all emails or tasks are properly configured. When you're satisfied, click Review and turn on. So is to activate your workflow. And that's it. You've just created a workflow in HubSpot. From now on, HubSpot will automatically perform these actions based on your chosen triggers, helping you stay organized and efficient. Remember, you can always come back to edit or optimize your workflows as your business needs evolve. Regularly reviewing them ensures they stay aligned with your goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this quick guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other HubSpot tutorials for more time-saving automation tips.